Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm great, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine, thank you. Okay, children, I gave some homework yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Were there no 2 or 3 homeworks were there?
Yes, ma'am. And 3 questions.
3 questions. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
See your hands, those who have done. Let me see how many of you have done. Vedika, Janvi, other. Prarthana and Pranav and Prarthana. Niharika. Then Sringa, Mayasa, Hazel, Yuvan, Adira, Janvi, Sri Rugda. Okay, most of you have done. Sweden. Okay, if you have done, good. Those who have not done it today itself, you have to do it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we
Yes.
haven't done the 20-second.
We did not reach till there, no?
No, ma'am, we started the next.
20 second. I told that 20-second question is, the answer is too long. Just try to do by yourself. If you are not getting it during the revision time, we will do.
Ma'am, you also
It will take too long.
Yes, ma'am, I tried
Huh?
day.
Yes. Okay. So shall we move to the next one? We have to start with the word problems, right?
Yes.
Good. Yes. So we have to start from question number
17.
15, 16 is over. We have to start from question number 17. It is a word problem, isn't it? So Tanu bought earrings for rupees 180 and a ring for rupees 155.50. Find the total amount she spent. Total amount. You have to find out the total amount she spent. So what is to be done there? Addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Addition. If you have to find out the total, you have to add. If it is, if you have to find out the leftover or the remaining, you have to subtract, isn't it? Now, since it is a word problem, we have to start with the statements. I'm going to share the board.
And which is the page number?
Page number 55. So workbook part 2. Page number 55. Starting with the word problems. Question number 17. Tanu bought earrings for rupees 180. From that first sentence, make one statement. What will be the statement? One of you, let me mute one person. Aditya, is your audio okay? Unmute and speak something. No, I cannot hear. Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the first statement? Tanu bought earrings for rupees 180.
Ma'am.
The cost is given, right?
Yes, ma'am. The cost Tanu bought for earrings.
Cost of earrings. That is enough. Then what will be the second? First statement, cost of earrings. What is the cost of that earring?
Rupees 180.
Yes. Cost of earrings is equal to rupees 180. Then, and a ring for rupees 155.50. So the second statement. Adidev, why did you mute? Second statement.
And a ring for rupees.
How you will write and a ring? Cost of earrings is
Ma'am, I
rupees
am reading the question.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, cost for of ring.
Yes.
rupees
Cost of a ring, one ring. Cost of a ring is equal to rupees.
rupees 155.50 paise.
Yes. Then find the total amount she spent. So the last statement.
Total amount of
The same sentence you can use total amount.
earring. Total amount of the paise she.
No,
The rupees she.
in the question it
spent.
is already written. No, you just
Find the total amount she spent.
so total amount. That same sentence you can use. Just don't use find.
Total amount she spent equal
Yes.
to.
Yes, total amount she spent is equal to, you have to add it. Okay, good. Now, when you will add, make a working column on the side and do the addition. Write rupees on one side and paise on the other side and add. Because for the first number, for first amount, paise is not given, isn't it? So what you have to do is, you have to put 2 zeros plus 155.50. Now, yesterday, those who did not get the chance. Hadi, shall we add? Hadi, did you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, add it there.
And 0 plus 0, 0.
Yes.
0 plus 5, 5.
Yes. Put a point. Then
Point 0 plus 5, 5.
yes. 8 plus 5.
And 30.
13. So which number will be down?
And 3.
3. One's place number will be down and 1 will go
1 will
over
be up.
up of the hundreds place. Okay.
And 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3.
Yes, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. At last, you have to put the symbol of rupees. So the final answer is?
335.50.
Yes, good. Rupees 335.50. Mute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, good dear. So question number 17 is over. Now we will move to question number 18. Abhi has rupees 575.50. He wants to buy a gift which costs rupees 650.50 for his friend. How much more money does Abhi needs to buy the gift? He has less amount. The price of the gift he wants to buy is more, isn't it? So little more he wants. So what do you have to do there? The total amount of the gift is given. If the total is given, what you will do? If the total is not given, you have to add it. If the total is already given, what you will do there? Whether it is addition or subtraction. If you have to find out the total, you will add, isn't it? Vaishnav?
Yes, ma'am.
What you will do in the 18th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi is having some amount.
Minus it.
Yes, but the gift is a little more costly, isn't it? See, he has to get more money. See, I have minus it. Okay. Did you mute? Don't mute.
Okay.
Say the statements now, answer 18. Turn over the page. The space is given there. Yes.
Abhi has
Mm.
500
Amount.
amount 500.
Amount
Seven.
who has?
Abhi has
Yes.
amount
Amount Abhi has is equal to rupees
575.
75.50. Then what is
And
given there?
most of the gift
Good. Cost of the gift. Cost of the gift is equal to what is the cost of the gift? Rupees
650
50.50.
paise.
Then amount.
The amount that Abhi needs more.
Yes, good. Amount he needs more. Is equal to, you have to subtract. Good. Mute, dear. Mute. So when you will subtract, make a working column on the side and make 2 columns for rupees and paise and subtract. And check which number is greater and which number is to be written first. Done? Joanne? Joanne, shall we subtract? Yes. Which number is to be written first, my dear? Joanne, is there any problem with your audio? Okay, Sweden?
Ma'am,
Yes. Which number is to be written first, dear?
650 rupees and 50 paise.
600. The bigger number, when you will subtract, always the bigger number should be first, written first. Okay, 650.50 minus the other number, 575.50. Sweden, subtract it.
0 minus 0 is equal to 0.
Yes.
5 minus 5 is equal to 0.
Yes. Put a point in the middle.
And point 0 minus 5. We have to borrow.
You have to borrow. Good.
And we make the 0 10.
Yes, good.
It's 5 then.
5 will be?
5 will be the...
Here, the tens place 5 will become?
5 will become...
You have borrowed one number from that 5. So 5 will be?
The 5 will become 4.
Yes. Now 10 minus 5 is?
10 minus 5 is 5.
Yes. 4 minus 7.
4 minus 7, we have to borrow again.
Yes, good.
In the 6, it's 5 and the 4, it's 14.
Okay, good. 14 minus 7.
7.
7. Either you can count backward if you have any difficulty. If you are getting it wrong, you can count forward. After 8, 7 is already there. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have taken 7 fingers. Okay, 5 minus 5.
0.
0. Okay, so the final answer is
75
rupees.
rupees 75.00.
Yes, that means it is rupees 75. Okay, good, Sweden.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so it's over. Question number 18 is over. Now, question number 19. I think so it's very long, isn't it? It's a long answer question. The full page is given for writing the answer. Okay, children, have you done it? Okay. Moving to question number 19. Rahul saved rupees 1,521.65 in April and rupees 1,444.78 in May. So he has saved some amount in April as well as in May. How much did he save in all? If in all together, total is there, you have to add, isn't it? So first you have to add. How much did he save in all? You have to add the numbers. Then the second part of the question is how much more did he save in April than in May? By looking at the numbers, it is understood that in April he has saved more, 1,521. In May, it is 1,400, isn't it? He has saved less in May. So you have to subtract it. How much more means you have to subtract. So the first sentence, first statement, Rahul saved rupees 1,521.65 in April. From there, you have to make the first sentence. Two numbers are given over there. So from in the first sentence, two numbers are given. That means two statements has to be made from the first sentence. So what will be the first statement? Sringa?
Yes, ma'am.
Sringa, what will be the first statement?
Rupees saved in April.
It is amount, isn't it? So we will start with amount.
Amount saved in April.
Yes, amount saved by Rahul in April, isn't it?
Yes.
Saved by Rahul, or else just make it short, no problem. Amount saved in April is equal to rupees 1,521.65. Sringa, did you mute?
No.
No. Second statement.
Amount saved in May.
Okay. Amount saved in May is equal to rupees
1,000.
1,444.78. Okay. Now, how much did he save in all? So what will be the last statement?
Total amount that he saved in all.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yes. Total amount he saved is equal to, add it. The final answer can be written after equal to. Make a working column and add it first. Okay. Arush is present. Anne Maria Aris. Anne Maria is present. What about Aris? Absent. Aris is present. Okay. Azad is present. Evelyn is there? Only Evelyn is absent, right? Okay, let us discuss the answers. Okay, Pranav, do the addition here.
Rupees 0.56.
Yes. It is addition. You can write any number first, isn't it? Even then,
Yes.
1,521.65
65
plus
plus
1,444.78.
1,444.78.
Okay. Now, 5 plus 8,
13.
13. So 3 will be down and 1 will be over the next number. 6 plus 7 plus 1.
7 plus 1. 14.
14. So 4 will be down and 1 will be over the next. Now, 1 plus 1 plus 4.
6.
6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Next, 2 plus 4.
6.
6. 4 plus 5 plus 4.
9.
9. 1 plus 1.
2.
2. So the final answer is, put the rupee symbol. Final answer is rupees
2,966.43.
Yes, 2,966.43. Okay, good. Don't mute. Prarthana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next. How much more did he save in April than in May?
We want to subtract them.
Yes. Before that, you have to write one statement. Amount
Amount he
he
saved in April than
he
in May.
saved. Yes, he saved. He saved in April than in May. Is equal to. Now do the subtraction. Make a working column again. Write rupees and paise. Don't mute. Prarthana has to say, did you mute?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Wait. Wait for 1 minute. Let them finish it. After that, we will discuss. Finished?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Okay. 5 minus 8.
5 minus 8. We can't subtract.
Yes, we have to borrow.
Yes.
Cut 5, write 5 once again. Then from which number you will take?
6.
From 6, you have to borrow one number, make it 15, and 6 will become
5.
5. Now solve that side. 15 minus 8.
7.
7. 5 minus 7.
We can't subtract.
Yes. So again, we have to borrow.
Yes.
From which number you will borrow?
1.
From 1. So 1 will become
0.
0.
And 5 will
And
become 15.
15. Now solve it. 15 minus 7.
8.
8. Good. Put a point here. Now 0 minus 4.
0. We can't subtract.
Yes. Again borrowing.
Yes.
Cut 2. Take one number, make it 10. And 2 will become
1.
1. 10 minus 4.
5.
5. Do. Let
Sorry,
me
ma'am.
see.
Wait.
You just count.
6.
6. 1 minus 4.
We can't subtract.
Yes. Again.
Again,
From
we
5,
will-
you have to take one number. Make
so
1.
the 5 will become 4 and
Yes.
the 1 will become 11.
11. Okay. 11 minus 4.
7.
Yes. Okay. 4 minus 4.
0.
0. 1 minus 1.
0.
0 again. So the final answer is
76.87.
yes, rupees 76.87. Write that amount in the main column.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 19 is over. It was a long one. Now question number 20. That is also long. All the questions are very long. See, children, we will do question number 20. Then we will stop. It is hot, no? We will do hot afterwards during the revision time. Then after that, what is there? After 20, we will stop our workbook problems. Okay. So tomorrow, you have to be ready with your rough book. So now question number 20. Amrita had rupees 1,543.50. She spent rupees 173.40 for buying vegetables and 321.10 for grocery. How much money did she spend in all? Okay, how much money does she have now? So first, the total amount is given, isn't it? From the total amount, she spent little money. Then again, she spent little money. So what do you have to do? You have to find out the total amount that she has spent. So add the amount that she has spent. After that, what do you have to do? After that, we will. Now the first statement. What will be the first statement here? Amrita had rupees 1,543.50. From that one sentence, you have to make the first statement. What will be the first statement from there? Niran? Make a statement here. From the first sentence, that small sentence. Amrita had rupees. Niran?
100.
Statement.
504. Yes, ma'am.
From that small sentence, make a statement.
Amount Amrita had.
Good. Amount Amrita had. Is equal to rupees 1,543.50. This is the amount she is having. Then ein, good dear. Ein, second statement. In the second sentence, two numbers are given, isn't it? In the second sentence, since there are two numbers, there should be two statements. You have to make two statements. Wherever the number is given, you have to make the statement. So in the first sentence, there was one number, so we made one statement. Now in the second sentence, there are two numbers, so you have to make two statements. Okay, ein.
Ma'am,
Yes, second statement from the second sentence. She spent rupees 173.40 for buying vegetables.
ma'am,
Okay, the time is amount. Amount spent for vegetables. Amount spent for vegetables is equal to rupees 173.40. Second, then the next sentence, amount spent for grocery is equal to rupees 321.10. Now, total from the sentence itself, make the statement. Total money she spent. Add it. Okay, addition is a homework for you. Okay, children, the time is up. Just write the statements and addition can be done afterwards. And in the next class, we will continue. Question number 20. We'll finish it. So some more statements has to be written over there. So we will continue with the workbook problems. And you have to bring your rough book also with you when you will come to the class. Okay. So the time is up. I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next class. Thank you. Yes, yes. First.
19, I have total
It's not clear. The time is up, children. Thank you. Bye-bye. We will meet in the next class. We'll discuss.